Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add text on Squarespace step by step. Navigate to the page where you want to add text. Open the Pages panel on the left sidebar of your Squarespace dashboard and click on the page you want to edit. The page will open in preview mode. Enter edit mode by clicking the edit button at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the page switch to editing mode sections become editable with visible boundaries. Hover your mouse over the section where you want to add your text. You'll see an Add Block button appear at the top left corner of that section. Click on Add Block. A block menu will pop up showing different block types like text, image, button, and others. From that block menu, click on Text. A placeholder text block will appear on the page where you clicked. Click into the text block and start typing your content. When you click into it, a text formatting toolbar will appear above the block. This is where you'll see all your formatting options. Press Enter to create a new paragraph as you type. If you want a line break without the extra paragraph spacing, press Shift and Enter together instead. To format any of your text, highlight the text you want to change, then use the formatting toolbar above. The toolbar gives you options for headings, bold, italic, alignment, links, lists, and more. After you've used the toolbar a few times, it might collapse into a condensed version. If that happens, click the three dots to expand it again. Once you're happy with your text, click Save at the top corner of the editor. Your changes are now saved to the page. If you're pasting text from another source like a Word document, paste it as plain text. This removes any hidden formatting that might interfere with how your text displays on the site. You can also drag and drop text blocks to reposition them within the section if you need to move things around. For version 7.1, if you want to add a background color or styling to the text block itself, click on the block, then click the paintbrush icon to customize the color and padding. That's how you add text on Squarespace.